So hello guys, I'm back with a new video. Welcome to today's video, SST 2021, subject Social Studies Map Pointing, Class 4. So many of you are thinking, why did not I upload videos from these areas, January to the middle of July up to this date? Because I have exams in March, annual exam of class 3, and February PT2 exam, and my PT1 exam of class 4 has ended 2 days ago. So I did not have free time, so I did not upload any video, but now I have free time, so I can upload videos. When I will have free time, I will upload videos. This video took me to make 3 days long, so please support me. So let's start now. Map pointing of India. India has 28 states. India has 8 union territories. Let's start off map pointing of our India. I live in the state West Bengal of India, capital Kolkata. Cap means capital in shortened form. I made it. The next is Bihar, capital Patna. The next is Jharkhand, capital Ranchi. The next is Odisha, capital Bhubaneswar. This is Madhya Pradesh, capital Bhopal. If you live in India, please comment in the comment box. I will know if you are Indian. I will Chhattisgarh, Raipur. I will do quiz on this video. Sikkim, capital Gangtok. So read this video very carefully. Uttar Pradesh, capital Lucknow. Gujarat, capital Gandhinagar. Dadar and Nagar Haveli, capital Daman and Diu, and Dadara and Nagar Haveli, capital Daman. Uttarakhand, capital Dehradun. Haryana, capital Chandigarh. The national territory of Delhi, capital Delhi, that is a union territory. Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli also a union territory. Punjab, capital Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a union territory, that capital is Chandigarh. This is Himachal Pradesh, capital Shimla. This is Ladakh, capital Leh. This is Jammu and Kashmir, capital Jammu and Srinagar. This is also a union territory. This is Assam, capital Dispur. This is Arunachal Pradesh, capital Itanagar. This is Nagaland, capital Kohima. This is Manipur, capital Imphal. This is Mizoram, capital Aizawl. This is Tripura, capital Agartala. This is Meghalaya, capital Shillong. This is Rajasthan, capital Jaipur. This is Lakshadweep, capital Lakshadweep Islands, capital Kavaratti. This whole bunch of islands are Lakshadweep. Kavaratti is present in my logins. Is there. This is Maharashtra, capital Mumbai. This is Telangana, capital Hyderabad. This is Amravati. This is Andhra Pradesh capital, Amravati. This is Karnataka capital, Bengaluru. This is Puducherry capital, Puducherry. This is the union territory. This is located in Tamil Nadu. Puducherry Union Territory, Tamil Nadu. Capital Chennai. Puducherry is located in Tamil Nadu. Kerala capital Thiruvananthapuram. You can spell it wrong, so read it. This is China, one of the neighboring countries. I will explain it in next video, but in this map painting I am showing it where is it in the wall map. This is Afghanistan, this is Pakistan, this is Nepal, this is Bhutan. If you think Nepal is in Himalayan region, you are right. This is Bangladesh. If you live in India, please comment. I am telling again. This is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, capital Port Blair, that is also a union territory. This is Myanmar. This is Sri Lanka. It is not Indian Iceland. Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the two islands of India. This is Goa, capital Panaji. Let's go to the next page. But first, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Press the bell icon to get notified first and read the chapter well, because I will be taking a quiz after a few days. Next part will come in 2 days. Okay, so let's go to the new page. Tell me in the comments when I will give the quiz and where do you live. Like for more, and remember that there are 8 union territories of India and 28 states. So let's begin of the revise of the page in a table. So let's start. This number, state name, capital. First, Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. I am not telling the S number. Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata. Let's go to the next page. For any doubt, I am telling again. Lastly, West Bengal, Kolkata, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, one of the a hard question, hard spellings. Andhra Pradesh, Itanagar. So let's start the Union Territories. Name of the Union Territories: capital Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair. Chandigarh, capital Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Daman. Delhi, New Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, summer. Jammu, winter. Lakshadweep, Kavarachi. Puducherry, Pondicherry. Ladakh, Leh. I spelled it back wrong because it will be Pondicherry. Srinagar is the summer capital. Jammu is the winter capital. Okay. And to learn more of this and solve quizzes, please subscribe to our channel and like, share, and press the bell icon. They all are free. And guess what this color represents? Orange first, then white, then blue, then green. I named the first one IF. This is the short form of it. Not short form in real, I made it. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Please support us. Thank you.